Ooh.
On this video, we're gonna look at the suction beauty device that exfoliates and removes blackheads.
It feels like a bite. It feels like an octopus.
It feels like someone like kissed my neck.
Did you like it?
I loved it. Oh, yeah, like full battery.
More intense.
So say to start off with the first one.
I'm gonna start with this one.
And where you put it on your forehead? Well, no, do it for a little bit. We'll see how much gunk we get.
It says, you're right, it says 3 seconds.
No, I'm saying do it around your areas, not just one spot. It says don't hold it more than 5 seconds, but like you holding it for less than 5 seconds. Well, it's only going to be cool if it's working. Is it working? I don't know, I don't see it. You have like one, doesn't do anything. It looks like your zit is being grown.
Yeah. It feels good. Oh. It feels so good.
Yeah.
Cleansed face, but it'll be too sensitive.
Try doing it on the next level.
Oh, it hurts. Now you're doing the same spot over and over. Ow. It feels like a bite. It feels like an octopus.
Put it on your inner nose, yeah.
Ow.
Is it working?
Ow. It's very, like I put it on the strongest.
Alright, let's see. I want to see if it actually worked now.
This feels like
Exfoliating?
circulating, microcirculation.
Careful.
What is this for?
That's for elbows and stuff. That's abrasive. So you don't use it on sensitive areas. Use it on elbows and other parts of the body, not your face.
Doesn't feel bad at all.
It's too rough?
No, it's actually nice because
It exfoliates?
it's not rough. You know, it just feels cold. I think this is the way you're supposed to do it. So you slowly just move it across.
Goes from inside to outside. Fill it up.
There's a big one. Yeah. This is like really
Shit!
Ooh. Definitely multi-use tool. Yeah. No, it feels like someone like kissed my neck. Serious.
Did you like it?
Did I like it? I loved it. No. Okay, so I just wanted to say that I'm really feeling it. Like you really do feel it, like afterwards.